morning everyone. I know I've been absent for a month or two, busy with other works. But yeah, making YouTube videos for you guys never really escaped my head during all those times. So apart from the usual friends that I normally bring on my adventures, a few new ones will be joining us today. We have Varte, who has been passionately exposing the unseen beauty of Mizoram through his videos. We have Hriata, a real hardcore adventure guy, always up for anything that's on the adventure menu. Then we have FB, aka Low Pro, one of the most talented photographer come videographer slash fun guy, aka Mr. Do It All. Then we have Thantea, and if I'm not mistaken, our one and only scuba diver in Mizoram. And finally, these guys need no further introduction. The crazy, go all out type of people, my dear friends. So you guys should join us as we go on an adventure slash fun day at the clearest river here in Mizoram. Enjoy!
So yeah, we just reached the spot where we have to park the vehicle. We have to cross River Klong. It's a dry season, it's quite shallow, that won't be a problem. And yeah, behind me, my friends are getting ready with their gear, scuba diving gear and all that. And yeah, we'll be heading up this stream, as you can see. And yeah, it'll be amazing, I promise you guys. You guys keep in touch. A lot of activities to come. Balu Turme! Hey, harvesting sand for construction.
Thank you. Hey, mua na thấy con nó đâm bẹ lên mấy tỷ.
Bro, I say lang sang rất là kề. Wow, kita hay phi mà ngan lakal don bro. Kal don lo kon ti ne ma lang la ta ha e tu except về mấy lo. Action game high five. High five. Hey hey, te yang ran ni hin tam rap.
What is?
Rap.
Tiến đi ha.
Andrew here. First time in Mora's vlog. Do like and subscribe.
Bro, should I climb over there? The trekking part begins and it will take only about 5 to 10 minutes from the point where we cross the main river. And just check out the river, it's crystal clear right now and we are definitely going for a swim later. This type of trek, I believe anyone can do this type of trek, but you have to be ready, you have to cross the river and all that, so you gotta get yourself with your right gear. And just check it out, man, crystal clear. What a view, what a view. Just check it out, guys, what a view.
Uy, magmegaso. Anong ginagawa ko sa kartong mo? Kartong mo, tason?
Kalau check it out, people, the water is crystal clear. I came here about 2 years back, and when I went at that time, the water was quite murky and muddy and was not that clear, but today, just look at it, crystal clear. And we are building a raft out of banana stem. We'll be traversing along this small stream to the maximum extent possible, so you guys stay tuned for that. So, let me show you how the bamboo cup works. So it's hollow in the middle to hold the liquid, and it's made pointed on this side to make it easy for sipping, and the other side is also pointed, which serves as a double-edged sword, so you can make it as a stand on the pointed side. See, standing cup, perfect. How about drinking from a bamboo cup? That's the best damn tea I've ever had. told you before, right? If you have the right skills, the right knowledge, bamboo can be used for a different variety of uses. Loads and loads of usage.
應該就你本事唔足，係嘅緊緊。哦，阿爸做冷氣，阿爸做冷氣。啊，Thantea咧，試下本地咧偷咗，哦，啊試下真真嘅咧，suggest 最靚嚇。誒，啦 suggest 啊？啊，試下得，試下冇補。
We're in the process of getting some dried bamboos for the bamboo raft. We'll be creating a bamboo raft to go up the canyon, so that'll be amazing. See? 佢個認真冇？哪個真背冇？
哎，路阿爸咧實際路啊，或者路去看得多啊，A 出嚟做梯，A 落梯啊，木嗰度，真背包嘅，
You might think it's deforestation, but there's lots of bamboo over here. These are useless.
So Enggalin cut bro. Enggalin. À tàu chơi về phần chính được.
Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. I said life is for living.
Rồi anh rap. In cái gì đâu lâu mì.
Ủa mau cái vai nó chìa nó cần phun mấy.
Ô, cú ta cái cầm đồ ra, sổ ra.
Ủa thì khi mình lấy chìa xuống cần phun ấy đi á. Ủa mau cái khác cái thế. Let's go. Come on, man, lên. Let's get it. Không được thế.
Cái là sờ bùa.
Iceberg không bị phải thấy gì.
佢大漢 rough 卡阿蚊睇到啦喎，佢佢挖下住。隻條咩？近皮蛇lang，近皮蛇lang。
哇，喺邊龍靈尖尖啲位。
誒，喺大西二零。
Nice iceberg，你知唔知？
Kira kalau
Ô, hey, im lúc cái đặt từ từ đó chụp cái đồ.
Đúng rồi, nó tẹt phải, lại khi phi nó tẹt.
Đúng rồi, ai đã tổ bà lần cuối thì 0.5 seconds rồi. Go!
Đúng rồi, lại khi phi.
In between your sheets, breaking up in the best of ways, and I'm back again on the street. But then out of the blue, a wind starts blowing in ways so new, a world more exciting.
chuyện cô lấn tầm over mà lệ. Hey, anh nghe English in river snails. So we're getting ourselves some river snails. Check them out, river snails. So they perch on the rocks themselves, and yeah, I don't know what they do over there, but yeah, there are tons of river snails out here. Okay, no. So I think mà nó không sầm gì mà. Wet suit khan avot vel dang ve de we.
Anh là litilang.
Oh, litilang. Ani mo.
Im siang ani chu pu van na pu na kom to a. Ini dia kan voi khatti ho na ni vai yang.
Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life.
Hei hi regulator ani ta kan thok na ber khani ta ni chuan hei hi LPI intel low pressure inflator hose ani ta chu tan kan test ta hemi hian teng ka tang khan teng khan ti hian kan vit lut ta ni kan buoyancy kha kan pil le kan lan da na kha hemi bladder pang hian kan control ta ni
เขามีอินหัวคันให้มีแต่งที่อาการโดนเจี๊ยดเนาะ
pasira ka kala
Pasira,
atnunga kal chi po ham thawa back mount side mount hi puk chung te mun che panga te khanan mang thin ta jok ta.
So our diver friend is inside the water right now, and let's see how it goes. He has about, I think, 30 minutes of breathable air available to him. So yeah, let's see. This is one of the first times this has been dived by a scuba diver.
It's night in the city, and I'm on my way back home. Humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. Let's see where this all might lead.
So good evening people, so we just came out of the canyon behind me and the water was, to be honest, so cold, man, so cold. One of our friend has a wetsuit on, so he's still out there exploring. These guys are the real deal, man. These guys are the real deal. Normal people would last just about, I think, 5 to 10 minutes in this water, but we guys aren't normal, man. And yeah, this place would be a perfect picnic spot, you know, towards the end of February or for the whole month of March when the water is quite warmer and it's comfortable to swim in. But right now it's so cold. But we had fun, eh? We just learned new stuff, saw new things, scuba diving and all that. Let's eat something, let's drink some coffee, let's drink some tea to warm ourselves up. And yeah, you guys stay tuned.
coconut 都養到，一年喎，50年。係，應做先喎，阿貓，嘿，阿貓衝佢抌你。
Once again, you know, this has been a curse for us from way before. We again forgot to bring salt with us. Oh, this is the most important ingredient. This is salt. This is salt. Salt. This is salt.
Another well-spent day, folks, with delicious mouth-watering foods seasoned with fun and positive vibes all around, surrounded by people of varying personas, each bringing with them their own spice and flavor, and with Mother Nature sprinkling upon us the final garnishes. Mix all the ingredients together and you get the absolute perfect day. Thanks for watching.